This parcel of Rough and Rubs has 7 pieces and a total of 46 carats. Some nice pattern in that stone, just needs more cleaning up. Bit of a crystal going on in there. The better pattern is still sitting on the inside of the piece. Some nice orange and yellow in there. Nice green crystal. That one's got a nice colour bar on the bottom with a nice pattern. So just get in there and you can see the telltale how good it is from the top there. Should be a beautiful stone once you got down there. Another colour bar there. Just need to get inside, grind into it. And that one goes on a bit of an angle. Blue and green, nice colours, quite unique. And that's it.